racing just started. We have Smart and Noble break week later start. Princess Adarna, Pegasus, Diamond Luster, Fabiola, Queen Esther, Mahogany, Hakuna, Matata, Reign Supreme, while Hardway is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. Smart and Noble. Pegasus is down on the inside. Princess Adarna in the middle portion, then followed by Diamond Luster. Alongside comes Fabiola, Mahogany, Queen Esther, Hakuna, Matata, Hardway, while Reign Supreme is still racing last as they swing down the back. We have Smart and Noble by about 2 lengths. Pegasus in second. Princess Adarna is racing into the Fabiola, now coming closer in fourth. Next on line now is Diamond Luster. Mahogany comes next, then moving up on the outside, Hakuna Matata. Hardway next on line is Queen Esther, while Reign Supreme still racing last. Last 400 meters of the race. We have Smart and Noble this time by about 8 lengths. Fabiola now to take second. Nelly outside, Hakuna Matata. And as they swing for home, we have Smart and Noble now racing away this time by about 6 lengths. Fabiola in second. Hardway is on the outside. We have Smart and Noble, followed now by Hardway in second. And nearing the finish line, it's Smart and Noble. Hardway, Hakuna Matata, Fabiola, then comes Mahogany.
Hakuna